gonna let the sun shine in the day.
So after being away from my family for just over 2 weeks, we spent the first week just relaxing, going to the beach together. It's been really nice to relax and take it easy and just spend time together. We hit up the local splash pad because it's been actually pretty hot here for early in a Canadian summer. We also unpacked all the stuff that I brought back from the storage unit in Louisiana, and that was a little bit exciting actually.
Hi, Scooter! Hi, Scooter! Come!
You're gonna take a few minutes.
Oh, my Pogo! It's not my fault.
Let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back.
Okay, we got our vitamins back.
We're unpacking, Adrian.
We got chips. I don't know why.
That's where the actual coming from.
Yeah. What is that?
Oh my goodness! Oh, look at that! It's like juice for 2 years. That's strong. Auto body cleaner. Oh, that's a heat gun. Oh, my mosquito bites in here.
Aha. There.
That's everybody. Is that yours or everybody?
I got my Ryobi jigsaw. I got my belt sander. I need this week.
Toby still has another whole case of hockey cards. Goes to the desk. You stand on the chair. They'll bring the rest of the books to you. I cleared a spot.
Cannabis butter.
That inside. Put it by the sewing machine.
Bin number 1.
Yeah. What is that?
Toby.
No
Oh, Toby,
Yeah, but I see a snake.
Mine.
Is it a snake, Mother?
Have fun!
Blanket.
Okay, Jace drew stuff.
This is mine. That's the necklace and the other earring in the van one. Oh, this is mine.
We only had a couple of days with Peyton. Mostly he was coming back with us for the drive home so he could see all the countryside with us. We had about 2 days and then we had to take him back to the airport. You say bye to Peyton?
Yeah. That's pretty good. Gotta bring your hat though. Okay.
I'll see you later.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along.
It's messy.
Oh. All right, guys, we are making baked falafel. Most falafel is deep fried. Ooh, I'm not much of a deep fryer, and this recipe actually calls for it to be baked. I already made one little batch. Here is what it looks like before it's made into its shape. And so I'm gonna do a second batch because that's not gonna be enough.
Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late.
About that much, maybe a little smaller. It said 2 tablespoons. Is that 2 tablespoons?
You're the math person, Bethany. Is that 2 tablespoons?
I
And flatten.
don't know. Wait, you're supposed to flatten?
Yes.
Can I smell it?
I think you can smell it.
What?
Smell good?
It smells like yummy tacos. It smells like yummy tacos. It smells like yummy. It does.
You don't have to do it.
Can I eat some? Oh, can I eat some? There's a lot, so.
When they're baked, you can eat them. You probably won't like them like this because they have raw onion in them, and that's going to be a little spicy until
Ooh,
it's baked.
tacky. We don't want it anymore. Hello.
Before you disappear. It's been so cold without you.
While the falafels are in the oven, I'm going to make hummus. It's like hummus and falafel go together, and the funny thing is that they're both made from chickpeas. So it's like a chickpea dip with a chickpea. What do you call a falafel?
Patty.
Patty? There you go. So we're gonna make some hummus because I sprouted these chickpeas late last week and I don't want them to go bad. So we're having a chickpea night.
We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in 2 separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you
We get a yummy Mediterranean salad, some tahini dressing I made the other day. It doesn't look appealing, but it tastes amazing. We got our falafel, hummus. How's the food?
Good.
How's the food?
Good.
Are you enjoying it? Yeah?
That.
I haven't even tried the falafels yet.
No? Is the rest of it good?
Yeah.
Good.
Tell me you have a seatbelt on.
We are heading to the city for the day. We're going to go to West Edmonton Mall, which is one of
The biggest malls in the world!
One of. It used to be the biggest, but I think it's been outdone by a few others. So we're going to go. It's going to be a day. Michael has to drive school bus, so it's just me and 8 kids. So it's going to be fun and challenging all at the same time. We're going to meet my niece and her new baby there and hang out with them and enjoy the day. So here we go. There's a big tall part of the mall right here with like a weird slanted roof, and it's actually an indoor amusement park. They have a roller coaster that goes upside down inside the mall.
Actually, they got rid of it. What? The Hardys were just telling us that they got rid of it.
Why? Why would they do
Too many people
that?
died on it. felt a lot bigger when I was
It was giant before. Careful. There we go.
There. And it used to be in water when I was a kid. Like it was in a fountain.
No, they're bored.
like tracks along the bottom. You see that? I don't know if you can see that, Jesse. Do you see those tracks? They had submarines that went under the water. You got on them right here where these swans are, and then you would go down in the submarine under the water, all the way past the boat, and then there's a hole in the rocks, and you go under the rocks, and they had like fish and sharks and things under there, and you would go in the submarine and get to see them all.
Wait, real sharks?
Yeah, they were little, but yeah, real sharks. And then it would come back around here, and then you'd get out there. And this is sea lions now. There used to be dolphins when I was a kid.
Hey, you can sit on the bench with it.
Sit on the bench with friends. Look at it. They're the same size as you. Come in
A bit bigger though.
They're the same size as a Lego character.
I got 2 pairs of earrings.
Aww, those are cute.
Yeah.
Why do we have to get a new stroller every time and it's different every time?
Alright, we finished up at the mall. We had a great time with my niece and her daughter. It was the first time I got to meet her baby. She was so adorable. And then we went to the chiropractor. We got adjustments. Everybody feel better?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Toby feels stronger.
I feel strong.
Built different.
And can't film any of our adjustments at this chiropractor because it's much busier and so there's a lot more people in and out. But for those of you that are interested in chiropractic technique that we use, check out this video that we did a while back when we were in Florida with Dr. Michael, who is trained under our chiropractor here in Edmonton. So we're gonna stop at Costco, we're gonna grab some burgers, and we're gonna go home and get Michael to grill those up on the barbecue. Notice how I use the American and the Canadian.
Not barbecue them on the grill.
Grill them up on the bobby.
And yeah, have a nice little barbecue dinner tonight with all the family. Everybody getting hungry? Yeah, we
I
did
was
lots of
hungry a
walking.
long time
We
ago.
did lots of walking at the mall, so everybody's worked up an appetite, not an attitude.
They've worked up an attitude. You know
I
what
never
I mean.
need to work up my attitude.
No, Adri's bored with hers. Yeah, it never goes anywhere.